After crashing out of Champions League, Copa del Rey, and most likely La Liga, it's official. This might be one of the worst seasons in Real Madrid's history. That collapse sparked an immediate response from Florentino Perez. He didn't wait for the transfer market to open. He launched a full-on rebuild, and it started with a surprise move, signing Trent Alexander-Arnold from Liverpool on a free transfer, yes, for zero cost. Next up, the bench. Carlo Ancelotti is old, and all signs point to Xabi Alonso, a club legend, taking the reins at his former team. Real are in desperate need of a reliable center-back or CB. Here are the names on the table: William Saliba from Arsenal, Ibrahima Konate from Liverpool, Dean Hyson from Bournemouth. But there is a catch. Real's new transfer strategy is all about waiting for contracts to expire, a system that has hurt the club more than helped in recent years. On the left flank, Milos Kerkez is one of the most exciting options, but here's the problem: Liverpool are interested too, and it's unlikely they will let him go anywhere else. But now let's talk about Rodrigo. Rodrigo hasn't really fit into the system this season, and he is now expected to leave. Who is replacing him? Not a new signing, but two familiar names who have been warming the bench all year: Brahim Diaz and Arda Güler. So don't expect any major attacking arrivals to Real Madrid. But in midfield line, there is a strong interest in Martin Zubimendi, the 26-year-old Spanish playmaker. But there is a competition. Mikel Arteta's Arsenal are also in the race. And here is a deeper issue Madrid is facing: the lack of Spanish players in their squad, a concern that could influence their next signings. What do you think? Who would be the best possible signing for Real Madrid for next year? Comment for me, and thanks you for watching this video.